Top 5 Best Steam Espresso Machines Reviews. We are going to check out top 5 best Steam Espresso machines in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this Steam Espresso machines, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Top 5. Hamilton Beach 40792 Espresso and Cappuccino Maker, Black. 15-bar Italian pump for excellent extraction and rich crema. Patented slide and lock filter holder makes setup easy. Removable water reservoir and drip tray make sure that the coffee grounds are not overpacked in the filter. Top 4. Delonghi EC680M DEDICA 15-bar pump espresso machine, stainless steel. Sleek design provides outstanding espresso while only taking up 6 inch of space. Input power, W. 1300. Cappuccino frothing system provides barista quality foam, rated voltage 220-240 V.
Check out the description for more information and latest price.
Top 3. Mr. Coffee 4-cup steam espresso system with milk frother. Steam heat feature forces hot steam through the filter for dark, rich espresso brew. Easy pour glass carafe serves up to 4 shots. Instruction manual must be followed when attaching filter holder, page 8, to brew espresso, step 4, and using frothing function, page 9, how to make cappuccino, step 4. Top 2. Ninja Coffee Bar Brewer with glass carafe, CF080Z. Choose a size, cup, travel mug, half carafe, or full carafe, and brew directly into your favorite cup or travel mug or use the carafe. Auto-Ike One-Touch Intelligence knows how to deliver the perfect amount of water at the right time for the size and brew type you select. No need to measure the water or refill the reservoir after every single serve brew. Top 1. Ninja Coffee Bar Single Serve System with built-in frother, CF112. Pod-free single serve with Ninja XL hot and cold multi-serve tumbler. Custom brews, classic, rich, or over ice, or signature brews, specialty and cafe forte.
All of these items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out the links for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. Share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.